So for today, I'm going to teach you how to find any crypto wallet address on your Trust wallet. So basically, first you need your Trust wallet to be downloaded on your mobile device, and after that, you need to open it and access your wallet. So after you access it, you will directly go onto your main dashboard. So, for you to able to find any crypto wallet address on your Trust wallet, you just have to click the find button or find icon, which is located at the top right corner of your screen. So once you click in, there is a search bar where you can use it by searching specific cryptocurrency that you wanted to get or copy its wallet address. So, for example, I wanted to copy the wallet address of the Bitcoin. So, I will search for Bitcoin, and once I have seen the Bitcoin, is I will just click in and simply get its receive if you wanted to transfer some BTC or Bitcoin from another exchange to your Trust wallet. So after clicking it, a QR code will pop up, or even your alphanumeric code, which is your unique crypto wallet address. You just have to copy it or just simply save the QR code, and that's how you find any crypto wallet address on Trust Wallet. So, if you found it super helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. If you have any questions or suggestions, just drop them in the comment section. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.